Hello children. Children, in this geography class we will learn about the climate. Now let's see what is a climate. Have you ever wondered why some countries are hot and other cold at the same time? This is because of different climatic conditions at different places. Now, what is a climate? Now we have learned that different places have different kind of atmosphere, different kind of weather. Some may have a cold climate, some may have hot, some may have rainy uh, period time going on. So what is a climate? Climate is all around the world varies a lot. So places near the equator tend to be hot, humid than those which are far away from the equator. So you know what is the equator? Now equator, this is the earth, and the line, imaginary line that divides the earth into two halves, that is the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This is what is called the equator, and it is at 0 degrees latitude. Now coming on to the chapter. Now you must have heard people using weather and climate interchangeably. Now generally what do we use? We use weather and climate for the same things. But it is important to know that these two are two different concepts. So now it is important to understand that weather and climate are two different concepts. Got it? Now, in the television and newspapers and radios, weather is about day to day changes. So, it is the everyday chalk out of the weather routine which you see in your TV or your radios or newspapers. Now, we have 4 seasons. This climatic change is marked by 4 major seasons. So, now let us see which are the 4 major seasons. First, we have the winter season, that is the cold weather season, which is from November to February. Then we have the summer season, which is known as the hot weather season, and it is from March to May or June. Then we have the rainy season. Next we have the rainy season, which is from June to September. Now finally we have the retreating monsoon, which is from October to November. October and November has the retreating monsoon. Retreat means going back of the monsoon. That is here. Now coming on to the winter season. So winter season roughly starts from the month of November and continues up to the month of February. And in this season we have very cold climate in the plains, snowfalls in the mountainous regions, and January is considered to be the coldest month of the seasons. So very coldest month is the month of Jan. Now during the winter season the temperature generally remains low. So the temperature falls down. As the temperature will fall, the weather will be cooler and cooler. So in the sandy region of western Rajasthan, it is cold at night during winter because bare soil cools much quickly than soil with vegetation cover. So in Rajasthan, what kind of a climate we have? It is cold at night during winter and it is hot in the day. Next we have the summer season. The summer season, we experience this season in the months of March, April, May or June. Up till June we have the summer season, and at this time the sun is overhead and it is a period of increasing temperature. Now during the summer season, hot and dry winds called the loo they blow in the northwestern part of India. Dust storms also are a common part in this season, and people in this season love to visit the hilly areas for a pleasant and comfortable weather. Then we come to the rainy seasons. After a long summer season, hot weather, we have the showers that come to us, giving us cool and a pleasant atmosphere. So, this is the rainy season which starts immediately after the summer season, and there is a heavy rainfall in so many parts of India even in the month of June. This is due to the influence of the monsoon winds which blow from sea to land, and it carries more moisture and warm air, therefore causes more rain. Now, there are two branches of the monsoon winds, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. So, the Malabar coast is the first area to get rainfall from the monsoon season. So, which is the first area which gets the rainfall? It is the Malabar coast which gets the first rainfall during the monsoon season, and by the middle of July, there is rainfall in almost every part of India. The rainy season lasts from the middle of June to October, and the western coast of India gets more rainfall than the eastern coast. So, now the maximum amount of rainfall is in Mausin Ram in Meghalaya. So, this is the place where the maximum rainfall occurs. And it is also famous as the wettest place of the world. In Rajasthan and Rann of Kutch in Gujarat, it gets very little rainfall. Why? Because of the Aravalli mountains that stop the rainfall, that stop the clouds from going into those regions, causing very little rainfall, or it can be said it is the rain shadow area. Now, season of retreating monsoon or autumn. Now, what comes has to go. So, monsoon arrives, and now it is the month of what? October to November, where these monsoon winds, they move back from the mainland of our country. This is called the retreating monsoons. The southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. Now, good monsoon means adequate rain and a bountiful crop. So, when we say good monsoon, when we say that this time the rainfall was adequate, that means it was a boon to the agriculture people. It gave a good amount of crop because of its adequate rainfall, and a bountiful crop was grown in the region. Then the climate of place is affected by its location. Now, there are reasons why the climate is affected, whether the climate is rainy, snowy, or whatever be it. If there is a change in the weather of different places at the same time, then that is due to these reasons, that is the location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief features like where there is mountain, then there will be snowfall. Where there is sand, that like Rajasthan and deserts, then there will be a moderate climate, very cold at night and warm during the day. Then less rainfall is due to the mountains. So, these are the reasons why there is a difference in the climate. Now, Jaisalmer and Bikaner in Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras, Kargil in Ladakh region are freezing cold. Then the coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. Moderate means normal climate. So there is a normal climate in these places. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Then being on the coast, these places are very humid. So Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall, whereas on the other hand, it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan in a particular year. So there may be no rain in Jaisalmer. Now this is what we have learned in this session. I hope you liked it and you will love to read it. So go through this chapter and have a nice day. Thank you.